You just seized my stuff, eh? What did you seize my stuff for? What did you seize my stuff for?
David, you know yourself, you're nearly have a drone in a public place.
Yes, I am.
You're not. Have you got a pilot's license?
Do you suspect I don't?
I probably
Do you? So you've seized my shit for what? You seized my shit for what? No. What? No, hang on. So you seized my shit because you're presuming it. Presuming it, or you know.
Right.
Hang on. No. You're not going to speak to me because I'm going to show you this, and then I'm getting back on it, huh? There you go. I've got an operator ID. I've got insurance. I've got my license. What now?
Right, David.
Can I get my stuff back, please? Can I get my stuff back, please? What's your name and number?
Can you speak to me?
What's your name and number? No, you could have spoke to me first before stealing my stuff.
In case you haven't noticed, I had an inner cordon here and you've decided...
No, where's... Hang on. Where's the inner cordon? Where's the inner cordon? I see a cordon there. You've just walked up and grabbed my shit and pulled me back here, accusing me that I'm not allowed to do this. I've got a license. Have I got a license?
Are you going to let me speak?
Have I got a license?
David, are you going to let me speak?
Have I got a license?
Let the man speak.
Have I got a license?
I can't speak.
Have I got a license, sir?
I don't know if that is a legit license. You have a bit of paper.
Do you want to do checks? Here's your number. Here's your number.
David.
Here's your number. Go do checks.
I'll take your word
Go
for it.
do checks on it,
David, I'll take your
please.
word for it. I'm sure you've done your due diligence, right? I'll take your word for it.
So you didn't do your due diligence. Is that what you're telling me?
We had to come over and check. At the moment...
Well, no.
Right, David,
You
Can I
checked.
speak for...
Did he check?
Can I speak to you for...
No. Hang on.
David,
Now you came
David,
over.
David,
You came over and you asked.
Uh-huh.
Did he ask?
Right, but
Did he ask?
He had to stop you.
Right, he had to stop me. Did he have to stop me by putting hands on me?
For public safety reasons, yes. You're in the inner corner, David.
Oh my God! Where's the inner corner?
For public
I see
safety
a police cordon there.
Aye. And we're
Where's
also
the police?
part of
Where's
the
it?
police corner. Look at the queue of people.
Right. So when you came
here.
chasing, when you came running up to me, why did you have to put hands on me? That's assault, mate.
For public safety, because you chose... I shouted
So you
twice.
could have spoke to me. I didn't
David,
hear you.
I shouted twice.
It's windy, mate.
You didn't acknowledge me.
I didn't hear you.
I ran from that direction towards you.
And when I noticed
I asked you again,
and when I
you
noticed
ignored
you, did
me.
I stop?
And then I put my hands on
Did
you
I stop?
because...
No. You first of all, you grabbed this. You near enough broke the leg on it, huh? See, if you broke it, you get a pie for it.
David, if you want to make a complaint about a broken thing, that's not...
Can I get my stuff back,
You can
please?
get
I
your
don't
stuff
want to talk to you. Huh?
David, in all honesty, mate, right?
I don't want to talk to you, my friend.
Very serious incident going
I
on,
understand there's a serious and it's newsworthy.
Okay.
Right. Thank you.
Right.
Thank you. It's newsworthy. It's it's public information. Huh?
Okay, right, I'll get
Thank you very much.
Right.
Thank you very much.
But if
Yeah.
that was your family,
You forced the conversation.
because you entered an area that wasn't safe
Right,
for the public.
okay,
You
right,
entered a
okay.
cordoned area.
Okay, and I'll accept. Okay, I'll accept.
3 occasions.
And I never heard you. Never heard you.
You either never heard me or you chose to ignore me.
Right. Well, have I got a hood on? Here, hang on. Have I got a hood on? Can you see my ears? I could have had earplugs in, yeah? Could have. Hypothetical, yeah? Like you're playing hypotheticals. I never heard you. Do you know for a fact I heard you?
I also shouted on you from the distance you're
What did you shout?
standing now.
What did you shout?
I says, excuse me,
And I
can you
didn't.
stop?
And I
Can
didn't
you
hear
stop,
you.
please?
Didn't hear you.
And I'm standing the same amount of distance I am from you just now. Conveniently, you didn't hear that.
Sorry.
Conveniently, you didn't.
Sorry. Hang on. I need to get for diagram purposes. I walked along this path here. He was down on that path there, but he's telling me that he says, excuse me,
David, the conversation's over.
at this
I'm not entertaining
at this
the
distance,
conversation.
I will disappear then. You are giving me the entertainment, huh?
Okay.
You're giving me the entertainment.
Here. Because people like you are
Do
gonna come
you need to talk to me though?
But do you need to talk to us?
I'm allowed to talk. If you're not happy with this conversation the way it's going.
Guys, see, there we go. Simple.
Right, did you go and put hands on him?
Okay, listen to us.
Oh, he listened to you. He listened to you. So let me get it straight. If we don't listen to you, it gives you rounds to put hands on people.
Because yes, you're in an accordance.
Does it?
Yes, it does.
What law?
Common law.
Common law. What common law?
David, I'm not
What
gonna
common
do
law?
this.
What
You
legislation? What
just
legislation
take
did you
off your
use?
camera.
What legislation did you use to put hands on me? Public safety. Under what section of what that legislation?
David, I
You don't know. You don't know. No, because you don't know. Yeah. I suggest you find these laws first. Spitting at you.
Yeah, I'd rather
It's
you
on
kept
camera.
the distance.
It's on camera. Spitting at you. Aye.
I'd rather you kept the distance. Thanks.
Well then, back off. Go back to where you was. Crowding this people here, huh? What's stopping? Who's stopping it? Is it that chap there? It's stopping these people now walking, yeah? Because he was over there.
Because he's had to move, because we've had to move here.
No, you didn't have to move here. No, you didn't.
David, the conversation's over.
This is free movement. You ain't stopped shit, mate. Yeah, free movement. Do you know what free movement is? The exercise of free movement that you've just he just hindered.
Because you're in a cordon, aye.
No, I'm not. Where's the cordon?
You were in a cordon.
No, I'm wearing a cordon. So hang on. Where's the line? Hang on. Is that in the cordon?
David,
No, come on, no. Well, you're being childish then.
I'm trying to do my job.
What's your job?
At the moment, it's keeping the public away from this area because of the male top road.
Right. Well, I'm going to go round the other side. So you best raise your up. But I'm going to be over that end.
Why are you wanting to go and distract
Because I
them?
want to get video.
Okay.
I want to make money, mate. Like you at a job. Why are you here making money? I want to make money. I want to make money.
I get you.
So I'm going to make money.
Okay, so why don't you do it from a distance? Right? What you?
It's a drone. I'm going to want to go up into a distance. You see, it's windy here. Windy. And because there's people going about, I don't want to put anybody in danger. So I'm going to I'm going to a safer place, and then you just stop me, huh? Yeah? Right. So I'm going to go now to the safer place, and I'm going to fly the drone. And I'm going to video the man on the roof. And you never know, you may need some of my footage. Maybe, because I got told reports that he's chucking slates off the roof. What happens if this slate hits you? I've maybe got some evidence for you that will maybe help you, huh?
Would you give us that?
Of course I would.
Are you sure?
Yes. A man of my word. Of course I would, huh?
Okay.
Listen, I don't have a problem with police. I believe we need you, huh? Well, we do. I have a problem with bad police, huh? I have a problem. You're marking up some, but I wouldn't say, you haven't done anything wrong to me yet. This man put hands on me. He doesn't have a right to put hands on me. Whatever, mate. You can justify cops playing it all you like, yeah? Yeah? You'll be in the court of public opinion, huh?
That's fine.
Yeah?
YouTube.
Exactly.
Are you allowed to put some YouTube yet?
Do I need to?
Is there not a bail?
Of course there is. But can I send this footage to someone else to upload? See, I'm not allowed to film and then upload it. But I'm allowed to film. And then I can get somebody else to upload it, can't I? Can't I?
See when you're in
Can't I?
Are you filming right now?
It's loopholes, isn't it?
Are you filming right now?
It's loopholes. Well, what do you think? I don't answer questions.
Probably not, because you're
I don't
being
answer
sound.
questions. Because I'm being sound.
Aye.
So you think, so I'm not normally sound then?
You're normally quite obstructive.
Why?
Because you come and film us. I know you've got a total right to
Right,
film
so
us,
this is what I'm
David,
saying. So filming you is being obstructive. Why is that obstructive?
Because, right, we're here, right?
Yeah.
We're trying to stop the public from coming into our cordon, right?
Right, I understand.
Right, which is our boss has told us they're getting
Right,
everywhere
okay,
here,
I understand that. If he came up to me, look, you didn't, I don't mind him coming up and being like, look, stopping me kind of physically, but what he did was, first thing he did was he walked up here, he had a narrative in his mind, he had an agenda. You seen the drone, I had somebody walk past me going, oh, somebody's asking if that's a police drone. So the police are obviously asking questions,
I was wondering.
Right. You had then seen me with a drone here. You wasn't interested in me walking past here because you came straight up and grabbed the drone.
Didn't see a drone.
And then listen, I've walked up, I've got it in my hand, He walks up and as soon he grabbed that.
The first thing
He grabbed the drone.
The first thing I thought.
Why is he grabbing the drone if he's stopping me? And then you're talking about you to have a license. So what's your agenda? Is your agenda that I'm not allowed in this cordon? Or are you trying to get me done with something?
See, your first agenda, right, was you were in the cordon.
Right.
That's what got your attention.
Okay.
Right? Then you obviously saw you had the drone, right?
Okay.
And then, I'll be honest with you, I didn't think you'd have a license, but fair play to you, do.
Thank you very
You've done
much.
your due diligence as well.
Thank you
right?
very much.
We've checked it, we've gave you it back, and that's that.
Would you like to check the operator ID?
Sorry.
Okay, because this is what I'm saying. I knew that this. See, this is what I have in my mind, yeah? I'll get my license, I'll get all these things that I'm illegal to do. I'll come fly over your police station, and see the first thing that yous will do is accuse me of fucking committing a crime, huh? Without having any facts, without having any intelligence, without doing an investigation, huh? You'll come straight to my fucking home and seize my shit like you just did there, huh? Yeah? And then I have to prove that I've got a license.
Yes.
You have to prove that I don't have a license, my friend. Are we innocent until proven guilty?
You're right,
Or are we guilty until we prove we're innocent? You tell me.
It depends on the nature of the offence, unfortunately. Right, I'm not judge, jury.
You understand? Right, now you're brand new, I don't have an issue, you seem to be... No, because you speak shit, huh?
No, because you don't allow me to speak.
Well, I allow you to speak, and the shit that comes out your mouth is garbage. That's all. It is, aye.
Right. Do us a favour, right?
What?
See when we're like doing
No, I wanna... Who?
See when we're doing
No.
like, road traffic stuff,
Aye, fit of her, mate.
right? David.
Aye.
David.
Hang on.
Come on.
Hang on.
Come on, video me.
Come on, boys, what you got to do with that?
Have they done
Come on, boys, what you got to do? There's threats of violence and nothing. I went in his face. I went in his face because he's threatening me, huh? Is he threatening me? No, that's not a threat. So? Because I find him amusing, huh?
Okay, fair enough, right?
This is a clown. This is a clown that's threatening to stab me one day, huh? What? What? Prove it. Shall I put it on the internet? Prove it. Go it. I'm just here to gather content, huh? I'm here to gather news, huh?
That could be his best mate for all we know up on that roof, right?
And I was showing privacy.
Right, but he wouldn't like that, and quite rightfully so, right?
I
if it's his
understand.
mate, right?
And I don't
So-
like being spoken to like I don't like being grabbed.
Okay,
David,
fine.
can I make a suggestion?
Yeah.
You can either choose to listen to this or choose not to, because you're going to do what you want.
No, well, I'm going to go in a minute.
Can
I
you
need... Yeah, the amount of time I waste
can
here,
Can I speak?
I'm not getting food, John.
Can you read the audience right now when you look around? And
Aye,
see
but
everybody here?
what is it? Why are they getting mad? Why are they getting
Everybody's
mad?
getting
Because it's
mad
their mates.
No, because you're
the
causing
person
the
on top
issue.
of the roof.
See, if I was a wild over there,
friend.
if I was a
You're
waffle
just-
over there,
you're just-
if I was a waffle over
You're
there,
doing-
there then.
if I was off away over there, would any of this be going on?
But we'd get in shit from our bosses.
That's
we've
not
got
my
authority.
problem, though.
But it would then be my problem.
David, read,
So
read,
you
read what's
put
round
your
about
problem
you.
onto me.
Read what's
No,
round
I
about
had to
you.
do my job.
I understand, and I'm only doing my job.
Okay, right.
I'm only doing my job.
You go on the other end then, okay?
I'm only doing my job, eh? Yeah, Davy Wood. You look me up, man. Davy Wood, aye. Come round to my house, mate. You came for a live, mate. You came for a live, eh? No, you didn't, you fucking wee shite bag. Fucking smashing the hen, man. You're smashing the hen. You're fucking idiots.